Good evening, everyone. Before you trust every pill sitting in your medicine cabinet, I want you to hear something shocking. Every 66 seconds, someone in America is diagnosed with dementia. Most people believe memory loss is simply part of aging. But new research is revealing something far more disturbing. What if some of the medications millions of seniors take every single day are quietly damaging the brain itself? I'm Dr. Michael Kent, and after years of working with older adults, I've seen a frightening pattern. Patients begin a safe medication for sleep, anxiety, allergies, acid reflux, or bladder problems. A few months later, they start forgetting names, losing focus, repeating stories, walking into rooms and forgetting why they went there. Families blame aging. Doctors call it normal cognitive decline. But sometimes, the real trigger is hiding inside the pill bottle. A recent study published in Neurology and Aging Research found that certain medications may increase dementia risk by nearly 50% within just a few years of regular use. Even more alarming, researchers discovered that some drugs can shrink critical memory centers inside the brain itself. And the scariest part? Most people have absolutely no idea it's happening. Tonight, we're revealing the most dangerous medications linked to memory loss and dementia in seniors, ranked from commonly overlooked all the way to the most harmful combination doctors rarely warn patients about. Let's begin with one of the most common drugs in America. Number 9 is Benadryl, also known as diphenhydramine. Millions of seniors take this little pink pill to help them sleep or relieve allergies. It seems harmless because it's sold over the counter. But inside the brain, Benadryl blocks a critical neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. This chemical is essential for forming memories, staying mentally alert, and keeping communication flowing between brain cells.